to shoot for the bullet to take that length of time. Isn't grappling lovely?
Well, now we need to know how quickly we can jump out of the way, huh?
Human reaction test it is. Let's do it. I can't believe he can hit that target from here.
Hit the target? I can't even see it.
All incompressible materials are equal, but so far, some are more equal than others. When Buster is dropped feet first, water has nothing like the impact of pavement. The angle of entry means the water is easily displaced.
Yeah, so that's half of what we got on pavement at 3 times the height.
But what if that was changed to a belly flop?
Time to hog tie.
Will the additional surface area save this scientific saga from sinking?
So, in case you're wondering, and I'm pretty sure you are, dropping Buster on his face repeatedly just doesn't get old.
All right, this is Buster's belly flop into pavement from 25 feet. In 3, 2, 1.
That looked painful, and without his legs breaking his fall, the G-load was much higher than the feet first test.